Hi guys, and welcome to this new series of videos where we are going to discuss how to invest on the stock market, how to make the best diversifying strategy when you are having a stock portfolio and you basically want to invest on a lot of price share, how to compare those price share, how to see if the company you are putting as a target is profitable for you. So to do this, you have to retrieve some real-time data, and to retrieve those real-time data, you are going to focus on how to scrap data from a stock market online platform that will provide you with all the pressure you need to know in order to make the best decision of investment. So in these videos, we are going to focus on how to calculate indicators of profitability, the risk, and how to make some beautiful graphics showing you the best combination for your portfolio to gain the more. And the first step we are going to focus on today is to scrap basically those data. So to do this, we are going to start with showing you how this online stock market platform looks like. So once you are looking for the company you basically are putting as a target, I'm just like retrieving some random data here from Microsoft trends, and this will give you the opening pressure which is provided here. Then you are going to have the maximum pressure, the minimum pressure, and the pressure at the end of the day. So the period of time we are focusing on is a day. So basically when we are going to calculate the profitability of this company or of this pressure, we are going just to add the maximum and the minimum value and divide it by 2 to make the average price of the day. And then to calculate the profitability, we are just going to calculate the difference between the two averages. For example, the average of last day, of yesterday, and the average of the current day. Then we are going to evaluate the risk, because the risk is one of the indicators that limitate our investment. So the risk is a measure of variation based on some fluctuation and volatility of prices in the market. We are going to see this on the next video, how we calculate it and how we can do this with Python. As I said, today we are going to focus on scraping data. So the data I'm interested in is the following data. And to do this, we just like have to inspect our code. To inspect our code, please just press the right button and go to inspect. So you will find the HTML code, and see guys, when I pressed or I just focus on those, we are going to find the data we are looking for. So those are columns for the ones who never code with HTML before. TD stands for column, TR stands for line, and this is basically so easy to know. This is the data. This data stands for the opening pressure for today. And as we are developing all the others, we are going to find all the data you need. So all we are going to do is to have this HTML code. To do this, we are going to scrap the data. You can see the result here, but let's explain the code. BeautifulSoup is already focusing, this is a library which is already developed for those purposes, for scrapping purposes. So we just like have to import BeautifulSoup request and put the website URL on the variable calling URL, which is just from here. And then for some organized purpose, you just like have to put your code and some functions. We are calling our function scraping real-time trend market data that take as a parameter the URL. So you can basically, if you want to add another, for example, I don't know, another company to compare, and that's what we're going to do to discuss later while seeing the best combination of price share we are going to do when having a diversifying strategy. So you can just like add another company from the same sector, IT, like Facebook, and you just like have to add it here. This is not the purpose of the video, and BeautifulSoup will provide you basically the code, the HTML code you are looking for. tbody stands for where we find our data. So this is like the big palace we found our data on. And here we are. So once we are compiling our code, we basically find the data we have here. So the next video we are going to discuss how to organize, structure, and calculate the indicators of performances. And then later we are going to see how to draw beautiful graphics. See you guys in the next video.